Let's make some movie theater popcorn Rice Krispie treats.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone. This recipe was sent to me by a subscriber. Brian from Utah created this recipe in order to use up some leftover movie theater popcorn. This recipe uses milk duds, which is a common treat you'll find at movie theaters. What you're going to do is take the milk duds and cut them into 4 pieces. And if you've never seen a milk dud before, it's basically a piece of caramel covered in chocolate. Once you cut these up, put these in the freezer and chill them thoroughly. If you don't want to use milk duds, you can use other movie theater treats like M&Ms or maybe even some junior mints. You'll need 3 cups of movie theater popcorn, which is salty and buttery. Add in 3 cups of Rice Krispies cereal and toss that around to combine it. And then set this aside. Now you need 8 ounces or about 250 grams of mini marshmallows and 3 tablespoons of butter. That's about a half a package of marshmallows. Put it in the microwave for a couple of minutes on high until the marshmallows are nice and puffy and the butter is melted. And just stir them together until you get a nice smooth mixture. You can also melt these on the stove on low if you prefer. Then you'll take that melted mixture and pour it on top of the popcorn and Rice Krispies. Then you're just going to give it a stir until it's nicely combined. Now it's time to add in those frozen or chilled milk dud pieces. And the reason you want them nice and cold is you don't want them to melt in that warm popcorn mixture. Add in a couple of handfuls of mini marshmallows. Give it a stir and then turn it out into a 9 by 9 inch, or in this case I'm using an 8 by 11 inch baking dish that's been lightly greased. And then just pat it down. Best way to do this is to dampen your hands with a little bit of cold water, and it just press down and your hands won't stick at all. And then just let this chill until it is no longer warm, and then you can cut it into pieces. These were really good. I love sweet and salty, and these ones really do the trick. So you've got the sweet and salty popcorn and the crunch from the popcorn and the Rice Krispie treats with those milk dud pieces in there. Delicious and a great way to use up movie theater popcorn if you have any. You could even use standard microwave popcorn for this if you'd like. Thanks again to Brian for sending me this recipe. Now, if any of you have a recipe that you want me to try or one that you've created that you want me to try, go ahead and send it to me by clicking on the Contact Me link on my YouTube channel page. Now, I love making Rice Krispie treats, and I have a whole bunch of different ones on my channel that you might want to try as well. Check it out, and thank you so much for watching.